to print table of a number. You're taking number from the user, you're asking the user enter any number to print its table, and using the input function, and you're converting it into integer and storing in variable num. And then now you're running the loop from 1 to 10. That is, it will, though you have specified here 11, it will stop at 10, and you are running the loop for 10 times and to print the table. So number into I value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So every time the loop runs, the I value will change, and here number into I will get displayed, the product will get displayed. So here this range will return you the list of numbers, number based list. Okay, and the list will have numbers 1 to 10. So let us run the program and see. So enter any number to print its table. I am just entering 5 table. Yes. So you have printed the table of 5. Now this is the same program. You can modify it using while loop. That is, you can ask the user, do you want to continue? In the previously I have just taken one number from the user. If you want to take any number of numbers from the user till the user wants to enter, then you can go for while loop. So I am just defining a variable answer as y, and then I am running the loop, while loop, run the while loop till answer is equal to y, and this is part of while loop. This for loop is part of while loop. Then you will be asking the user, do you want to continue? So input do you want to continue, answer is equal to do you want to continue. If user enters yes, it is going to go inside the loop, and it will take, so this portion you cut it and paste here inside this. Okay, save it, run the loop. Enter. I'm just entering 6. It will ask now, do you want to continue? If I give yes, then again it is going to ask the number. If I enter 7 table has come. Yes, like this you can write the program. Okay, yes. See a program wherein the you have to take a day number from the user, which ranges between 2 to 365, and also ask the first day of the year. It can be a Sunday, Monday or Tuesday, and the program should display the day on that day number. For example, if user enters 19th day of the year, then you should display the answer as Thursday. It can be any day. Okay, that is, for example, if user enters 45, the number is 45, you have to determine what is the day on 45th day, which day comes in 45th day, and whether it is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and you have to display. So what you have to do is, very first you have to take the day number from the user and store it in a day number variable. That is, you are converting into integer and storing in day num variable. And second thing is, you have to take the first day of the year, whether it is a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, for example, suppose user enters 19. User enters 19. The 19th day of this year is Thursday. You have to display the answer as Thursday. For example, if a user enters 26, you have to display the answer as Thursday. If the user enters 23, you have to display the answer as Monday. So what you have to take two things from the user. One is the day number, another one is which day the year is starting. So this year is starting from the day Sunday. Okay, so you have to write a program for this. Okay, so very first thing is, you are taking the day number and the year, first day of the year, and now you have to determine which under which day that day number lies in that week. So if it is 19, actually it is on the 5th day of that week. Okay, let us see once again. Okay, if I give 19, it is actually 5th day. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th, it is 5th day of that week. Suppose if I give 24, then it is the 3rd day of that week. 1, 2, 3, 3rd day, and you have to display. If it is 3rd week, it will be Tuesday. If it is 5th week, if it is 5th day, then the answer would be Thursday. If it is 6th day, the answer would be Friday. So you have to determine which day in that particular week that number lies. Suppose if I give 12, which day it is in that week, it is on the 5th day. If I give 10, it is on the 3rd day of that week. So you have to determine which day the day number lies in that week. Okay, so for that I have written a while loop. You have to run the loop till the day number is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, you have to keep on deducting day number by 7. I am storing a day num in a variable dn, so that the day number value does not get changed, and I am running the while loop over here till dn variable is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, because the number has to lie between 1 to 7. I have to determine which day that particular day number lies in that week, whether it is a first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, up to 7 I have to determine. Then I am just printing and displaying which day it is. Now you have to compare. Okay, once we get the day, which day it is on that particular week, then you have to display which day. You have to find out which day it is, whether it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, now there are 7 possibilities here. The year may start from Sunday. If it starts from Sunday, the 5th day would be Thursday. Similarly, if the first day is Monday, if the first day is Monday, then the 5th day would be
365, and also
Friday.
ask
Okay,
the first
so
day of the year. It can be
if
Sunday, Monday,
the first
or
day
Tuesday.
is Tuesday, then 5th day would be Saturday. So I am writing here, I am writing in different list. I am storing in the list 1 different cases. If the day starts from Sunday, what would be the list value? If the day starts from Monday, what would be the list value? So the list value is changing here depending on the day. Okay, now suppose if I get the day number as 5, then what should be the answer? We know that it is Thursday. Okay, that is, if the first day is Sunday, then you should get Thursday. That is list of 5. List of 5 would be Thursday? No, because list always starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. 5 would return Friday, but we want Thursday to be written, so I am writing here print list of day number -1, because the list is starting from 0, so you have to deduct it by 1 to get exact day day from the list. So this is how we run the program. Let us write the program. Let us run the program and see. Enter the day number. Suppose if I give 19 and I enter Sunday, so the day is Thursday. Okay, I run the program once again. Enter the day number. Suppose if I give 23 and the first day is Sunday, it is actually day 2 of that week and it is Monday. Okay, suppose if I give 45th day, then let us see what is happening. Which day it is? 45. Okay, and it is starting from Sunday and it is Tuesday. Okay, let us see whether it is right. Okay, so it is totally, we have got 31 days here. Let us see that this will be 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45th day is nothing but third day of that week and you're getting the answer as Tuesday. Okay, so our program is running perfect. For the 5th day as Tuesday. So this is how we write this program to determine day of that day number of the year. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel Ishwari Classes and share the video with your friends and don't forget to like it. Thank you.